Hello, guys. This is Vaish. So the news update, episode number 6. Today is yellow fungus, which is in news everywhere. So much details are not there in the internet, but whatever is needed for you, we'll just gather it and give it to you. Okay. So in the internet already, whenever something happens, people make trolls about it and share with each other the memes. It's all fine. We all like to see such things, but somewhere down the line, you should understand that people are dying because of this. Okay. So it's not like to like being a killjoy or telling like this is not to be done, but you being at least who is watching this, UPSC aspirant, if you are, you should try to empathize with the person who is happening, who is actually suffering from this also. Okay, so try to find out more details about it other than sharing memes as well. Okay, not like you have to stop this. So in today's newspapers, if you see, the experts and doctors are telling like don't panic by the color of the fungus. Okay, but you have to look for the causes because they are naming it based on how it is developing inside your body and what all symptoms it will come, like white patches are there or yellow something is there. So based on that, they're naming the fungus. Okay, and they're relating it to existing diseases like mucormycosis also, for which a detailed video I've already done. So hope you have seen that because this video will have very little information, which is like new information. But this video, okay, more than 1,000, 2,000 people have seen this. See this video, you will get entire information about this, which is very, very important for exam point of view and also for general awareness. Okay, and other episodes are also made with the same intention. So please see to that you see. Okay, and this fifth episode yesterday, you have to see this because it's the most detailed video on the internet right now, which differentiates between 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. Okay, so go and watch that and subscribe to this channel so that we keep this free content alive. Black fungus, you would have seen, like India reported more than 9,000 cases, with Gujarat having the highest cases around 2,000, and then Andhra Pradesh, Haryana. So if you see it like north, west, south, east, wherever it is, these cases are being reported. Okay, so it is a very serious issue. Okay, this black fungus, white fungus, and yellow fungus. So after this black and white, now both post-COVID complications have been reported from several states. A first such case of yellow fungus was detected in Uttar Pradesh, Ghaziabad district. Okay, so if you remember, I think the white one fungus was from Bihar. So this is from Uttar Pradesh. Now, a 45-year-old man had contracted a triple blow of black, white, and yellow. So this is the first time that same person is having infection from the three types of funguses. Okay, all three together. Okay, so that is why this is very important news. And this actually yellow fungus is generally reported in reptiles. Okay, in lizards and that kind of animals or reptiles. That is where this yellow fungus is generally found. Okay, that's what the doctor have told. Now, both black and white fungus infections are known as mucormycosis, caused by mucormycetes, which live in the environment in rotting vegetables and fruits, bread, soil, and plant. Meaning, all these funguses are existing around us already. Okay, but it will affect only those whose immunity is compromised. Okay, so this mucosepticus yellow fungus behaves slightly differently. The symptom starts internally and are more hidden, which could dangerously delay diagnosis. Okay, so that is the principal difference. Black and white fungus, when it happens to you, maybe your face swelling, your hand, something, skin infection, it will be seen outside and then it develops internally. But the yellow fungus, it's reverse. It's actually affecting your inside organs. It will start damaging them, and maybe at a later stage only it will come onto your face or skin. So doctors cannot by that time treat it. Okay, it will become more dangerous and people are dying. Okay, so that is the problem with yellow fungus. Now, according to the patient's caretaker, the patient was undergoing treatment for COVID-19 for the past 2 months and was also recovering. But in the last 4 days, one side of the patient's face started swelling up, due to which he was unable to open his eyes. Okay, so this one, this yellow fungus, it starts with lethargy and reduces appetite, which already impact those with the coronavirus, as well as weight loss. Because of weight loss, sudden appetite loss, metabolism changes, food is not digesting, your wounds are not healing. This kind of things are the initial symptoms. In the later stage of the infection, yellow fungus can cause sunken eyes due to malnutrition and organ failure. Okay, so it finally leads to organ failure and ultimately the death. The patient in India also had nosebleed and urine leak. So these are extra things which was earlier not predicted. Like for yellow fungus, these and all can happen. So for Indian patient, it has happened. Now yellow fungus can be treated, but it takes longer compared to other fungi infections. At present, amphotericin B, an antifungal drug, is injected as a treatment. This is the only treatment. Okay, but compared to black and white fungus, it is taking more time for the patient to recover, or it is like maybe patient won't even recover. Okay, so that is the seriousness level of yellow fungus. Now, these are the what are the symptoms of all three together in one screen. If you see, it's almost the same, but with slight differences. Pain on one side of the face, toothache, discoloration of the nose, breathlessness, chest pain. And if you see once inside the body, the fungus can sometimes spread through the bloodstream and affect organs. Okay, this is for black fungus they are telling. Okay, there are antifungal drugs that can be given, but in most cases, surgical removal of the infected areas are important. Okay, meaning your eyes has to be removed, your teeth has to be removed. So that is the only option maybe to make that person survive. So that's why already patients' eyes have been removed. Many people in the last few weeks, many people's eyes have been removed. So you should understand how serious black fungus is. White fungus like cough, breathlessness, chest pain, swelling, headaches, and then white fungus affects the lungs and is less deadlier than black fungus. Okay, this is one update because in my last video when I told white fungus is more deadly because that is how the news channels were reporting. Okay, but now they're telling the reverse way. Now, symptoms of this one, as I told, lethargy, loss of appetite, weight loss, sunken eyes due to malnutrition, organ failure in later stages of infection. The symptom starts internally, and that is why it is more dangerous. Okay, people cannot detect it. The highest risk of catching fungal infections of any kind right now exists for those people who have a history of high blood sugar levels. Okay, so that is one thing which everybody has to be aware of. Even the generation now who has no diseases or anything, please see to it that your blood sugar levels and diabetes are always in control. Because when you get some other pandemic kind of disease, you are the ones who will be facing difficulty in getting it treated. Okay, so while diabetes generally increase inflammation and suppresses the body's immunity, high glucose levels also facilitate fungi to easily enter, spread, or thrive in the body and cause vital complications. Diabetic patients are also prone to skin infections, frequent bruises, which can also allow for the fungus to enter the body more easily. Okay. Additionally, patients suffering from severe diabetes who are also vulnerable to facing COVID severity and hospitalization risk can face added dangers. Okay. Thus, monitoring blood glucose levels and maintaining them well is crucial. So, diabetic patients are facing almost all the post-COVID treatment also, post-COVID things also, infections like fungus infection also, everything is for this diabetic patients mainly. Okay. Another thing is the humidity of the house. That is also important. So, it should be measured at all times. Too much humidity can promote the growth of bacteria and fungus. As I told, this bacteria, fungus and all always lives around us. But if it's more humid, they can thrive more and they will be more stronger and that will be more easily entering our body. Okay. The majority of black and white funguses cases right now have been tied to patients who have recovered from COVID-19 or were hospitalized for the treatment of COVID-19. Okay, according to a doctor at AIIMS, patients who have recovered from COVID-19 within 6 weeks are heavily at risk. While it remains unknown whether COVID-19 itself is the big culprit behind the rise in fungal infections, it's crucial to remember that a battle with COVID-19 can render the body very weak and fall sick, especially weeks after the recovery stage if one is not too careful. Since COVID-19 can also lead to vital organ complications, there is a big risk of catching infections like mucormycosis at this point. In general, okay, 3 types of funguses that we are all mostly seeing are mucormycosis, candida, and aspergillosis. Okay, this is general information I wanted to give you because it's maybe UPSC aspirants are watching. This is general types of funguses which we are seeing. Now, this mucormycosis is being found more in cases where COVID is compounded with steroids and diabetes. They are found in the nose, sinus, and enter the brain. Occasionally, they are found in lungs also. Okay, and sometimes in the gastrointestinal tract. This is about mucormycosis. That is related to the black fungus. This candida, which is seen in those with weak immunity and those on immune suppressants. White patches are seen in oral cavities and the food pipe. The tongue might also become white, might infect other places like private parts. It may spread to the blood. The candida infection is linked with the white fungus. Okay, so these are the 2 types. Now the third one, least common, is the aspergillosis, which affects the lungs and may cause allergic reactions. It is called allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis. It creates cavities in the lungs and harms them. So if these terms, okay, like UPSC asks like this thing, candida, aspergillosis were in news, is all the fungus infections. Okay, fungus related things which can happen. So one is related to black, one is related to white, another one is the least one which has not yet happened or which is not being reported nowadays. Okay. So that is the video for today. But last video update, as I told in this slide from last video, we told it's more dangerous, but now it is the reverse way. Newspapers are reporting. Okay, black fungus is more severe. Yellow is the most severe, then black, then white. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So please subscribe so that we keep bringing more content to you free of cost. And please watch the previous episodes because this will go a long way in your exam preparation and also for general learning. Okay, without knowing the correct facts, many people debate on social media and argue on certain things. Please see to that you learn something from the right source and then go for debate. Okay, that will enhance the debating thing also and your knowledge level also. So I'll come up with the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.